guys, welcome back to Bryan's Thailand. Here we're on a brand new build. This is about three and a half days into the build. Let me show you. This is just outside of Udon. It's on off Highway 2. It's about 210 square meters plot, and it's about 2.5-ish million baht finish. So let me show you. Right here we've had underground electric brought in, put in up to here. There's a breaker box here, and then we'll come off underground to the house, so there'll be no above ground cabling. Here they're actually straightening the steel out, because when we buy it all looped, right, bent over. It's in 10-meter lengths, as you can see over there, and then they cut it up to size here, and they take it over to this section, which I'll show you. Right, this is eucalyptus tree, and they do a square frame off, and for where they're digging out now, for where the piles go, they put a string across, horizontal and diagonal, sorry. They put a string across that way and the string across that way. Take all the pins marked in for the excavator to come in and dig out. Right, so I'll show you over here. So they're putting pads in the ground, pad and pile system. This is the steel. There's 5 ladies doing this job. As you can see, these are the cages that go into the ground. And there's some smaller pads for the decking area, you know. So they stand there, that there 120, and the pads that are going to be done is 80 by 60 high, or 50 high, sorry. That's 2 sets of cages there. I'll show you how to bend the steel. Hello. Hello. They jig the make up themselves. So that's for the heavy steel, and they do over here for the light steel. It's for the form work that they're doing. There's Mr. Long, the chief guy.
The post Facebook.
Oh, yeah, I've just sent him the drone videos and photos. He's going to put on Facebook. This is for the well. There's a 2,000 litre tank going on here. There's room for a filter system, softener. Again, we'll put the box for the controller for the air pump. And this is where some of the stuff will be staying here. Most of you guys will know what this is. A theodolite. It's for checking your heights. So this is a simple way of living. I haven't moved in yet, and they're just building a toilet, a septic tank here, and there's going to be a toilet, and over here is going to be a shower area. This is on 7 Rye, and the guy does paramotoring, so I'm going to be doing some video on that with a drone and 360 and all that kind of stuff. So a bit of a short video, but just to show you that. I'm doing another project here. We've got about 5 on the go, right, starting going one after the other. Yeah, go on, so I'll just show you the whole here. So that's 2 meters down. We topped the soil off it at 1.5 meters from the existing, but we're actually going down 2 meters past the existing original ground.
กินเนี่ยกินที่ตรงนี้อ่ะ
So hot.
ข้างบ้านแก
So how are you guys keeping? I see the UK is getting better with their injections and stuff, so I think UK will be on the mend soon. Hopefully Thailand will be sorted out soon. So again, here's the storeroom. What will be one of them. That's all the stuff that they've made already. So then they're going to use the block to mark out for the footings. So 120 by 120, and then the steel cage goes inside. So they're doing all block work. It's about 60 high, 50 high for the block work. And then they bring the dirt back over and then pour the concrete in. Same what I do on the plantation. So I'll show you some drone stuff and catch us later. Bye for now.